Hey, and welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be showing you how to install a library for your Inventor Hero board. And to explain what a library is essentially additional code that you import from another source that gives additional functions, etc., that can simplify your life. Sometimes libraries are required to get things like additional boards working that you might plug into your Arduino. For instance, we have our shields that we're going to be coming out with soon that have that functionality and require libraries to be installed. So in particular, I'm going to be showing you how to install the multifunction shield library, but this zip file type scenario would work for any of the libraries. So first we're going to begin with opening up a new Arduino IDE here. So let's open that up. And while this is loading up, I wanted to explain as well that I'm working currently with a non-clean library folder, and the way you find your library folder to know if it's clean or not, you can tell if it's clean because if you go to Sketch, Include Library, and then see how it says Contributed Libraries down here, you're going to want to click. Currently I have these 3 libraries in here, so if you want to see where your libraries are, if you were to save your file, wherever your files are saved to, which is generally I think defaults to Documents, and then the Arduino folder, there should be another folder inside of here called Libraries, and inside of Libraries, this is where it stores all the libraries that you import. So for this, I'm going to be taking all these and I'm going to simply just move to a new folder right now, and I'm just going to call this old libraries just for the sake of this video. Also, if you're having problems with errors saying something along the lines of, multiple of something.h is being called or referenced, it probably means you imported it twice, or you have 2 different ones. But for now, when you go into here, because currently now we have Tools, Sketch, well, it's still here. So I'm going to do a quick reclose of this, full quit, and then I'm going to reload it back up, just to make sure I got a nice clean slate. If you've never installed a library before, you won't have to do this, but hopefully that should solve our problem. Now, to install a new library, you're going to want to go to Include Library, and as you see down here, we do not have it at the bottom, which means this is a nice clean slate. I'm going to click Add a Zip Library. I'm going to go to currently wherever you downloaded the zip file to. I put mine on my desktop. It'll probably be in your Downloads folder if it's default for you. And yeah, I'm going to click the Multifunc Shield Library, and I'm going to click Choose the zip file. Now, you don't want to click on any folder icon. You can, but just for reference, any of the libraries that we'll ever use in our videos, we'll include them down in the description for a link that you can download right there, because there are multiple multifunction shield libraries and they all don't work the exact same. So just to clear any confusion that's out there, we want to make sure that you use the one in the description down below, because we're going to test those before obviously we upload the videos. So in this one, I'm going to download the Multifunc Shield library, click Choose, and voila, we are done with the import. As you can see, if we go to Sketch, Include Library, hey, Contribute Libraries, it's here. So if you actually go to that library and you click on it, it imports everything that you would need from that library. So in here we have all these various includes, but the main one you want to care about for this is it includes multifunction shield.h. If you were to go in and click on that, and then you can start coding for your multifunction shield or whatever you need the library to import for. That should be about it. Yeah, thanks for watching. If you have any questions or anything's unclear, leave a comment down below. We'll try to answer those questions to the best of our ability. Yeah, thanks again for watching.